As Shakespeare said, all the world's a stage. Today, our preschool students are ready to take the stage and share their talents, creativity, and love for English. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy the celebration and let the show begin.
This English week is based on the DIY concept, which means do it yourself. Through this approach, our students have the opportunity to be creative, work independently, and learn by doing. Today, we celebrate not only English and Shakespeare, but also the creativity and effort of our students and their families.
Strong reasons make strong actions. William Shakespeare. Our kindergarten students have worked and learned about nature, gardening, and life cycles, focusing on the green thumbs, the ability to grow and care the plants successfully. The ladybug garden, the mini flower pot garden, and the hungry caterpillar are coming. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
Ladybugs are very helpful insects in garden because they protect plants from harmful pests. We use straws and cardboard, red and black paper, glue and markers, small pepper flower and leaves and red paint. Don't forget the solo habrá pepper secos, habrá que otro día ahí. Peine y luego la boca en la muerte de flower. Also, we need flower, for pigs, for more plants. The pig berries to paste the flower pot. Put soil into the pot. Plant the seed on the plant carefully. Water it and put it in the sunlight. Grow green, garden, sunlight, and soil and those speckles. When the children fly, lay, and then let the green leave. It has a little color freedom of it is very beautiful. A caterpillar from any animal. You find a pet and make inside inside. Inside a creep and a caterpillar singing. Finally, a beautiful butterfly comes up. It's already green and flies away. Thank you. A sunflower starts a healthy, it grows into a small sprout. Then the beautiful yellow flower, the blooms make the new seed. The new seed can grow new flowers. Sunflower need sunlight, water, and a sunny tool. Birds come here to eat seeds. They also drink water nearby. A bird didn't help. Bird found fruit. It eats. Bird help. It can be made of or a carton or used carton as a way or recycle. Inside the carton, we use paint, brushes, trees, and things. It's a beautiful way to decorate a tree. Thank you. Dragon coins and leave only a more part of it into the page. Happy Maria, Lani, Plessy, and Sponge after a pencil. And then you will like color and highlight with sunlight. Create a mental texture and overlap layers as to they dry. Sometimes vegetables are very oil, a man was or cooking. Mix and dry and stir on the bay and combine it. Sorry. Something the middle with we can also add some drops of food coloring to make it fun. Because they have to accept play Yuna Josefata full color Lovia Kohon Pa Tepe Shaul Eliam. Coloring at a teaspoon de vaca. Science the wax and shake it. Let the pasta dry overnight on paper towel. Spread the pasta in the jar, making a red ball pattern. Fire and sugar to make a necklace on a collaborative decoration. Inside the we made it from recycled carton. We also use acrylic paint brushes, glue, pipe cleaner, or straw, Google eyes, and a black marker. First, we painted a cartoon and let them dry completely. Then, after we put up the glue and arrange my favorite aesthetic. We personalize the
feel about